was running and I didn't know मेरा weight loss क्यों हो रहा था इतना। को पता है weight loss होता हमारे लिए कितनी खुशी की बात है।
ख़वातीन
वो कहती थी मुझे जीन पूरी नहीं आ रही लेकिन वो नीचे जा रही है। I was like कि दूसरी ले लेंगे, doesn't matter because you know पतला बंदा सही रहता है। And everybody used to tell me कि तुम check करो बहुत ज़्यादा weight loss हो रहा है। Never bothered. I came back from Islamabad after signing a contract. The moment I came home, I was just standing and I fell. And when I woke up, they said you have 106 temperature and you need to be given chemo.
Acutely यानी कि temperature
मतलब वो 106. That's why I fainted. कि मुझे बैठे-बैठे एकदम से बुखार हुआ. And it was the 6th of January. And 2 days I was like absolutely unconscious. So when I woke up, I saw my brother talking to this bald man and they were both arguing. He was saying कि I'm the oncologist and I know the condition. If the platelet count is 2.5 million, she could have a stroke and be paralyzed for life. So my brother was saying, no, go by the book. We have to have the test before. How can you do this? 10 minutes तो मैं उनकी आँख खोल के सुनती रही. I tried speaking, but there was no voice. So I said, pen, pencil दो. And I said, I wrote to my brother, let the doctor do what he wants to. He said, you're stupid. I said, let him do what he wants to. So the doctor read it and said, she seems intelligent. तो उसने कहा कि अदनान साहब मैं दवाई मंगवा लूँ. And so they gave me the chemo then. And by the time my brother took me to Karachi, Aga Khan and all these places, I was single at that time. So the story when the results came, they said it's as per doctor requires. It has, you know, whatever he perceives how the medication has to be given, it is already under control. Like the chemo has covered her from getting into paralyzation or anything. But then the family said, ठीक है बेटा सब कुछ बंद करो, just pass your time. 1.5 साल का time है.
Oh my God.
It was like I would stand in front of the window and the mirror and I would say कि अब बाल गिरेंगे तो क्या करूँ? पर्दा कर लूँ, but that's not my personality. I have to be the way I am. They won't let me go out, so okay, let's sit home, let everybody come here and evenings में सूल बना लो कि कोई नहीं आएगा. And then 6 months passed and nothing happened. उतने टाइम में मेरी इंडस्ट्री ज़ीरो हो गई थी because बॉटल्स किसके पास थी, किसकी रिकवरी थी.
Obviously वो इतना बड़ा शॉक हुआ और उसमें देखिए इमरीन ये बहुत बड़ी बात है जो आप बता रही हैं और मैं समझता हूँ कि यही वो टाइम था जिस वक्त आपको डिसीजन लेना होता है कि आपने क्या करना है, किधर जाना है, क्या नहीं. या तो आप अपने आप को एक रूम के अंदर बंद कर दो और उस वक्त का इंतजार करो कि
जब टाइम आएगा. और कैंसर एक ऐसी चीज़ है जब आपको पता लगता है ना,
वैसे ही
आपको पता लगता है ना कि जी इसको कैंसर है.
How was feeling यानी कि जब आपको
It was like कि मैं आधी मर जाऊँ.
जब आपको पता चला था.
It was bad. It was bad because I thought I was too young.
पैनिक हो गई होंगी और बंद कमरे में चली गई होंगी.
पैनिक उन्होंने मुझे बंद कमरे में कर दिया ना कि that's it, you not going out anywhere, you can't drive, you can't do anything. बस ठीक है, this is it. Then वो टेस्ट के लिए जब लेके जाते थे बोन मैरो और चीज़ों के लिए, so my puppy and my mamu would be crying. Then I would be crying कि ओहो मैं तो मर जाऊंगी तो अब क्या होगा. फिर को कोई 1 हफ्ते के बाद like 1 week I was shut in a room because बंदा डिप्रेस हो जाता है. So then I realized कि यार ऐसे कैसे गुजरेगा. If we believe in Allah, time He knows. Who are we to define? So फिर मैंने अपने डॉक्टर से कहा, उसने कहा कि just keep moving, बस चलो फिरो जितना चल सकती हो. So then I convinced my Taya. I said कि मुझे कुछ करने दें till the time.